Yeah. All right, this is on page 5. So page 5, we're still gonna do this form. So I'm gonna write it at the top of the page. Y minus y1
You're going way too fast for them.
equals slope x minus x1. That's the form we used all yesterday. Brand new form yesterday, but we used it yesterday. We're still using that form. But in the first question, what it doesn't give you is point. Or the slope, sorry. It gives you 2 points, and so it doesn't give you the slope. So I put that slope formula up here at the top. That's what we have to do first. Okay, so slope formula first. When you do slope, we're going to start on this last number here. -6 minus 4, and then 4 on the bottom, minus -2. So it's -10 over 6, but then we're going to reduce. Okay, so that would reduce down to -5 over 3. Okay, now when we did this in slope-intercept form, you had to pick a point, you had to plug it in, you had to solve for b, and then you had to go back up in and put in your m and your b. It's a whole long process. For point slope form, this is super nice. We just have to pick one of the 2 points, put it in this formula, and there's no solving that we have to do. Okay, period, done. So which one do you want to do, the first one or the second one?
Second.
Okay.
No, actually, the second.
Oh my gosh.
The second.
So there's no winning here. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the first one every time. Sorry. Here we go. We're gonna pick the first one. All right, here we go. The letter Y. Do you remember this from yesterday? Y minus. No, the Y number. Put the Y number in there first.
Oh yeah,
4 equals, put in the slope answer that we just got. Parentheses, x minus, and because it's a -2, we're going to change that to +2. And we're done. Isn't that so much easier than slope-intercept? Ta-da! Okay. You want to try it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll pause. All right, let's see if you did it all right. Slope equals -7. We'll start in the back there. So it should be -7 minus a -8. And on the bottom, -9 minus 5. The slope is 1, which is crazy that that's 1, but it is, over -14. And then everybody in the room could have a different answer. It just depends on if you picked the first one or the second one. If you picked the first point, your answer would be y plus 8, 1 over -14, x minus 5, if you chose the first point. If you chose the second point, your answer would be y plus 7, 1 over -14, x plus 9. Both answers are correct answers. And there we go. Okay, let's turn the page. And that's your classwork for today. So page 6 is our classwork.